Personal hazards include road running a tractor. And there are some hazards that are unique to road running. It's easier for the company to simply drive the tractor along municipal roads rather than trailer it to a job site. Always follow local laws when doing so, but generally, ensure that you have a slow-moving vehicle sign or other device alerting fellow drivers of your status. Some locales may require a flashing light, for example. Be very cautious when driving. The tractor will not handle or brake near as well as a car or truck. Do not make sudden changes in direction, as the tractor can become destabilized at higher speeds. Beware that a heavier rear implement will lessen the weight on the front tires, possibly making steering more difficult. Beware the differential lock. Never engage it while driving at high speeds. It may cause a loss of control. Make sure the two brake pedals are properly interlocked. Braking with one pedal only at high speeds could cause a loss of control. Make sure that the three-point hitch cannot accidentally drop while running the road. It's a good idea to lock the implement in the raised position by tightening the locking screw below the lever in the raised position. Never run the road in four-wheel drive. This causes excessive wear and tear. Go to two-wheel drive unless conditions are slippery. Now for some personal hazards while operating the tractor. Do not operate the tractor in an unventilated space. We suggest you complete the landscape safety lesson, Engines and Fuel Basics. The engine exhaust contains dangerous carbon monoxide, which is invisible, tasteless, and odorless, and can kill you. Always wear personal protective equipment as instructed by your supervisor. Beware a tip-over. Always wear a seatbelt when operating the tractor, which has a ROPS. Do not wear a seatbelt when there is no ROPS. Tip-overs on slopes are possible, so avoid handling the tractor on a sideways slope. Always approach slopes straight up and down when possible. Driving up a slope backwards is the safest approach. Avoid turning or changing gears on slopes. Proceed slowly. Do not start or operate the tractor from anywhere other than the tractor seat. This is dangerous. The tractor has built-in electrical safety systems. For example, you should not be able to start the tractor unless you are in the seat. The tractor should not start if the PTO is engaged. Never bypass these systems, and always take the tractor out of service if the systems are not working. Always park on flat ground with a parking brake set. Do not park on a slope. Even with the brake set, the tractor can still roll. Do not leave the tractor's transmission functions all in neutral. Leave a manual transmission's tractor in gear when parked and not running, and the shuttle lever in neutral. Be careful when digging with the tractor or lifting heavy loads. The tractor can become unbalanced if you put the whole load on one side of the bucket only. Keep your load balanced in the bucket.